Did you know that spending just 5 minutes before bed, doing what luxury hotels call turn-down service, could transform your mornings from chaotic and stressful to peaceful and energizing? What if this simple nightly routine is the difference between people who seem to have their life together and people who are constantly playing catch-up? I discovered this secret 6 weeks ago, and it's changed my entire life. Stay with me to the end, because these 5 minutes will revolutionize your daily experience. The morning chaos. We accept. Picture your typical morning. Your alarm goes off. You're already stressed before your feet hit the floor. You stumble into the kitchen, and there are dirty dishes from last night. You need coffee, but the coffee maker is still dirty. You're looking for your keys, but they're buried somewhere under yesterday's mail. Your clothes are wrinkled because you left them in the dryer. You're running late before you've even started your day. And you think, this is just how mornings are. This is normal. But it's not normal. It's the consequence of how you ended the previous night. The 5-minute turn-down routine. Here's exactly what I do every single night, 5 minutes before bed. Minute 1. Kitchen reset. Load or wash any remaining dishes. Wipe down the counters and stove. Set up the coffee maker for morning so it's ready to just press a button. Take out the trash if it's full. This 1 minute ensures I wake up to a clean, functional kitchen instead of facing yesterday's mess. Minute 2. Living room sweep. Put the TV remote back in its spot. Fluff the couch cushions. Fold the throw blanket. Clear any items from the coffee table. This isn't deep cleaning. This is resetting the space to neutral. When I wake up and walk into the living room, it looks inviting, not chaotic. This visual calm sets the tone for my entire morning. Minute 3. Tomorrow preparation. Lay out tomorrow's clothes. Pack my bag for work or errands. Put my keys, wallet, and phone in one designated spot. Check my calendar and mentally prepare for tomorrow's tasks. This minute eliminates morning scrambling and decision fatigue. Everything is ready. I just need to execute. The transformation I experienced. When I started this 5-minute routine 6 weeks ago, the change was immediate and profound. The first morning I woke up after implementing it, I felt different. There was no immediate stress spike. I walked into a kitchen that was ready for me. My coffee started brewing with one button press. My clothes were laid out. My bag was packed. I had 20 extra minutes in my morning because I wasn't dealing with last night's mess or scrambling to find things. Those 20 minutes, I used to sit, drink coffee slowly, and actually ease into my day. Why this works so powerfully. There's actual psychology behind why this routine is so effective. It's called decision fatigue. Every decision you make throughout the day depletes your mental energy. By making small decisions the night before, what to wear, where your keys are, whether your kitchen is clean, you're removing dozens of micro decisions from your morning. You're preserving your mental energy for things that actually matter. Hotels understand this. That's why turn-down service exists. It creates a frictionless, decision-free environment that allows guests to relax. The ripple effect. Since starting this routine, I've noticed something remarkable. When my mornings are calm and organized, my entire day goes better. I'm less reactive, less stressed, more productive. Small problems don't derail me because I'm starting from a place of calm instead of chaos. And my evenings are better too, because I know that no matter how the day went, I'll end it with 5 minutes of intentional preparation that sets tomorrow up for success. It's created a positive cycle that keeps reinforcing itself. So that's the 5-minute hotel turn-down secret. Kitchen reset, living room sweep, tomorrow prep, entry and surfaces, bedroom sanctuary. If this just gave you the key to peaceful mornings and organized days, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on notifications for more life-changing routines. Share this with anyone who feels constantly behind. Comment if you're starting this tonight. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, prepare tonight, succeed tomorrow, and transform your life 5 minutes at a time.